There's two things that I know for certain that this weird world of internet filmmaking loves, and that's free stuff and LUTs. And in a vain attempt to win your anonymous approval, this video contains both, so sit tight and strap in as I take you through our latest filmmaking freebie, the INGAF Cine LUTs pack. You heard it right, a filmmaking freebie. If you're new here, roughly once per week I try to send Pete a little more crazy by making a totally free template, preset or download for you to help you on your filmmaking journey. So make sure you're subscribed as I go on a one-man mission to bankrupt INGAF and line your pockets with all the downloads you could ever hope for. This week is our first LUTs pack, fashionably named the Cine LUTs Pack 1. In truth, that just shows my total lack of imagination. This download will give you 6 very different LUTs as a shortcut for your colour grading to give you lazy filmmakers a one-click coloured image. It's okay to be lazy. We're all friends here. To get started, you will of course need to have downloaded the pack from our website. The link is below if you haven't already done so. Once you've bagged your freebie, you'll be confronted with a zip folder of awesomeness. Be sure to unpack this and then save it somewhere safe. You will need this in the future. And when I say safe, I mean not in your downloads folder or on your desktop. I know you're all lazy, but come on. Heading over to Premiere Pro, you can very simply apply these LUTs in the Lumetri color window. I personally prefer to do this work on adjustment layers as color grading is a global effect, but you can of course work directly on clips if you want. You can dial in the intensity of the LUT with the intensity slider, which gives a very crude control over how much of the LUT is applied. It's also worth noting that with all of these LUTs, they will all work in all video editors, not just Premiere Pro. The process will of course vary with each, but it should be as simple as it is with this. And that's it, another INGAF filmmaking freebie for you lazy and cheap filmmakers. Now, as I said at the top, I do this for your anonymous approval, so be sure to give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you want more stuff like this, make sure you subscribe for more free stuff pretty much every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.